forgot I have to put everything like back whatever it was. I'm gonna upgrade this. We have the stock things right there, like the RAMs. We're gonna remove all the RAMs, bro. Stack the RAMs, which the 4 gig, the 2 4 gig. I gotta put them now so I don't mess them down. So we have two 8 gig only. So one thing about this that we always say, guys, if you have 4 gig RAM with the same speed, you have to match these. As you can see, I put on black on black. Let's say I have two 8 gig, so both of them I'm gonna put them Y on this white one and on this white one. So we have the like the 4 slot occupied. So now we're gonna get yo Contigo, sponsor me, bro. Give me like a 1 terabyte 1 terabyte SSD. We have the 2. This is like the best SSD though. It even has like a little LED when it's on. I have to like disconnect this thing, the disk, and connect it into this. So this is the SATA. As you can see, this one typically goes to this, and this other one typically goes to this. I think we're done with anything. I'm gonna pack this later after doing this. So it's for that, it's simple. You don't even need the screwdriver like to actually just pop everything like done. You don't even need the degree, bro. Or you wanna open it, you just pull on this like this and it's open and close. That's why the simplicity of Dell though. So this finally boot up. The memory is still working, so as you can see, 24 gig of RAM. It's there. Why is it showing like that though?